it's the old fella back this time with Ruido Rosa, if I've got it pronounced it right. Now this was recommended by Bill McLean, but then again, okay, don't mind shouting him out, but it's come from Misa. This is a band Misa's into, so he suggests it. I mean, I saw it on the interview as well, but yeah, okay, Bill, thank you. And obviously he went to the trouble to find the links, so thank you, Bill, for the links. What the hell's it called? Miedo a Caer. Hang on. What's it called? What is it called? Flipping heck. This is not good. This is not good. What's it called? Hang on. I can't pronounce that. What's going on here? Here we go. It is called. This is ridiculous. This is, isn't it? I mean, let's see. I can't even hear it. Let's have a listen. What's it called?
Miedo a Caer.
Miedo a Caer.
Okay, that's what it's called. That's typical of me, though. That's just me. Typical of me. Go up there. What's it called? Miedo Caer. Okay, Caer. This is it. Don't know when you're dyslexic either, so. But anyway, but yes. So this was recommended by. Okay, I'm going to go. This was recommended. Okay, I'm miles away. Recommended by Misa and Bill McLean. There we go. Hello, Bill. Gave me the link, so thank you, Bill. Right. Okay, then let's. I'm at it again. I'm rabbiting on here. Let's just get on with it. Here we go. I haven't got a clue. About it, so we'll just see. him over the bloody head. Well, looks like that was recorded in London, doesn't it? With people pushing and shoving their way all the way around. I never him over the head, but thinking, oh yeah, very good. Did like it. Again, I like the effect she's got on her voice. Really worked well. Again, it's a straightforward, if you like, not overcomplicated tune. Even the lead bit wasn't sort of overcomplicated or anything. Just fun tune. And to me, that's what, like I keep saying, this is what it's all about. And look, if Misa likes it, it's got to be good. No matter, again, the bass player's good. So, but that's it. That's interesting. You see, there's Misa in Bandmate who play more complex stuff, shall we say, a lot more, and yet she likes something that's straightforward, straight at you. This is exactly what I'm saying. Doesn't matter how complicated things are, you keep it simple and people can bop along to it. That's it. Here's an old word for you. Yeah, back in my day we used to bop along to music. Yeah. Oh, flipping hell, that's not being used. Yeah, because beat bop Balooba, you're my baby and all that. Yeah, okay. Oh dear, this is the problem when you get old. You come out with they're thinking, what the hell's he talking about? You know, whereas like, they've changed things now that's good as sick. Although sick never meant sick back in my time, but yeah. And wicked, that became good, you know. Oh, I think another one was epic at one point. Oh, that's epic. But yeah, it makes me laugh the way words get changed. But what the hell? Hey, does it matter? No, of course not. And that it just makes me laugh. But yeah, I did enjoy that. Very good. Thank you, Bill, for the link, and thank you, Misa, for bringing it up on the radio. Very good. This is it. I'm just having fun doing all this, and you know, it's just amazing. And thank you. Well, it's thank you to everybody for supporting my channel. You know, this channel's here for the music, not for anything else like some people have been mentioning, like for posing. Too old to pose. And yeah, I'm not here for likes and all the rest of it, and you know, subscribe, da 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 da. That's not the reason for being here. The reason for being here is for the music. That's what we're all here for, is the music. I mean, hopefully as well, I can come up with something that the regulars haven't seen. You know, somebody can suggest something the others haven't seen it, and it'd be great if I could put it out. And that's, to me, that's what it's all about. We're all about the music and supporting the bands. You know, especially in these times, these bands need supporting, and that's what I'm here for, to support the bands. Anyway, enough of me. I'm off again, aren't I? I'm off on one. Shut up, you old devil. Thank you, everybody. Anyway, for all your comments, all your support, you're absolutely fantastic. And I can't explain how it makes me feel. I know the face doesn't show it, but unfortunately it took 67 years to get like that. So anyway, but thank you. It's great, honestly, it's great, and I do try to reply to everybody's comments. If I miss the odd one, I'm sorry, but you know, get quite a lot sometimes. But anyway, enough for me. That's it. And please, everybody, please stay safe, and this old fella will be back. Bye for now.